So as you know, after ChatGPT was launched, it has changed the landscape for businesses, and especially for real estate business. AI has basically changed the way real estate agents are doing their business or conducting their business nowadays. So we are going to focus more on the real estate side, but as we know, AI has changed almost all the landscape of how we work. And today I'm going to show you some of the way how we are automating the real estate business using AI. And you can also use the same tools, and you can uh, use that in your real estate business. So the first one is basically Realtor Help software. So this software was created by our company, and we have been using this software for a while now for our real estate clients. So in this slide, as you can see, there are 4 things I'm going to show you what you can do using this software for your real estate business. And among these 4 things, there are Room AI image generation. It's basically you might have a lot of listing under your belt, but you are not, you might not be getting enough proper photograph for your promotion. So for that reason, we had come up with this idea, Room AI image generation. So you just have to take picture of your room, and then if you upload this picture inside the Realtor Help software, then it will change the whole background of your room, and it will present it like a professional photographer can present same way. So I'm going to show you in a minute how to do that. The second one is AI assistant for social media. For ChatGPT, I'm not sure if you are still using the paid version of ChatGPT, but if you are not using the paid version, then you are missing out the GPTs, so which is the paid version of ChatGPT has. So with GPT, you can make your own custom ChatGPT. So the same thing, we have created this software AI assistant for social media so that you don't have to use the paid ChatGPT account to do that anymore. You can utilize the AI assistant feature of Realtor Help software, and you can use it for free. So I'm going to show you in a minute how to use that. And also the third one is product description using AI. I know as a real estate agent, how much problem you face when generating a product description. Sometimes you don't have enough time to create the product description. You just hire someone and pay someone to generate that product description. So we have tried to automate that thing as well using this product description generator using Realtor Hub software. So using this software, you can make personalized product description for your real estate property or whatever listing you have. And the fourth and the last one is Instagram quote using AI. So you guys are definitely using social media for your business. And sometimes when generating the content, you guys can go blank and content idea don't come that easily. You can definitely use ChatGPT for this, but here the prompt engineers of SJ Innovation has properly trained this product so that it is generating the real estate related content for you. In Instagram quote, it will generate the code directly. You don't have to train it. You don't have to do anything. You just have to tell it that what kind of content you need and what kind of code you need basically, and it will just generate the code. And after that, I think you can use it for your marketing campaigns. Okay, so let's move by one to Realtor Help software. So you can get a free real estate help software account. Please send your email in the chat box or reach out to the SJ Innovation team, and we will definitely provide you a free account on our software. Okay, so for now, I am in the admin panel of the software. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how you can create a new AI assistant for your social media marketing. So you you may like a lot of posts what other one of your competitors are making, or you may like post of the celebrities in your real estate industry, and you might wish that I want to make similar post. I want to make similar post in my own language or in the way I present myself. So that's why you can use this new AI assistant, which will be like your own personal assistant for social media. So instead of hiring someone else, you can train this bot yourself, and it will generate the same content for you again and again. Go through the social media post I like and real content I like, then create a content I want to post on social media. And you can update it, and then you can edit here. So now make a static post. So once this, if you come through this type of issue, you can always let us know if you are facing this issue. So there can be another thing which happens, that if you train it using different files, it may be different file system, uh, it will not get properly. So when the doc file doesn't work, try to use the txt file, and I'm sure the txt file will start working on it. So in the meantime, it loads. I'll go to another feature and we'll come back to this once it loads properly. Okay. So the next one is Room AI image generation. So this is one of the tool that we have just mentioned about. So the Room AI image generation, if you want to generate this image, what you have to do is you have to go to this option, room generator, and then you have to choose your room here. Any one of the way, as you are a real estate agent, you already understand what kind of picture you need. So I'm saying I need a professional picture of this room. Okay. And then I just have to go to my room generator, and one of the rooms I can upload. And once we upload the room, it will give you, so let me show you which one I have uploaded. So and as you can see, this gives us a more professional view of the image. So using this, you can, so this is the one actually we have uploaded here. So once this loads, then it will show you the professional image. I think we'll come back to it once it gets loaded. I think. So the product description in Instagram quote, I think Realtor Help software, we will show you one by one. So once we move to the next topic, and we'll get back to this once this gets loaded. So the next one is basically a very important software for real estate agents. So as you can see, almost 67% real estate agents always miss their first call because they are always busy the daytime to show their clients different properties, different um, places. So because of that, they miss a lot of potential clients call. So that is the reason why there is a software that we are using. It's called Leads Lift. So using that software, we have automated this using enable missed call text back. So whenever a missed call comes to a real estate agent's phone number, and then immediately after 5 minutes, this missed call text back message goes to them, which is in this case we have mentioned that hi, this is location name. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? So what that does to a real estate agent lead capturing, that it gets you the leads who were not supposed to be there for you in the first place, because you already missed their call and they may have moved to your competitor. case, they are not moving because you have already sent them a message. It is you are not directly sending it, but it is getting sent automatically, but they don't know that it's not coming from you or a machine. So in that way, you can engage them in a more better way. So if I can show you how to set this up. So we can also give you a free account of this software, our lead slip software. And once you get this free account, you can log into this software, and then you can go to the settings. From the settings, there is a business profile, and under business profile, you can just use your phone number here. And in this message, you can select any message you want, and you can also definitely go to the right side. If you can click on this button, then you will see there are lots of options to automate and personalize your message. So in this case, there is an option to personalize using their first name, their last name, and normally what we do, we can automate them with their first name, so they understand it. Uh, we know their name and we are reaching out to them. But when it comes to the mixed call text back, mostly they don't have the first name because you don't know their name when they are calling you. So that's why we generally use, this is a location name or business name, our business name. So in my case, my real estate business, it will go from here. So once it goes from here, you can just save the missed call text settings. And then whenever any call comes to your phone, then your people will start receiving the missed call alert. So this is one way of setting up the automation for your real estate business. And the other way is the second one, which is conversation AI. So when the message gets to your leads, now they will definitely reply, right? They will reply something about, once they receive the message, hi, I saw that we just missed your call, how can I help you? They might say, okay, I need to see a property, or I am looking to purchase a property, or I'm looking to sell a property. So this is why the conversation AI is for. It is for automating your conversation. So even though you are not there, you are showing another property. You could be in a meeting, you could be in an open house, you could be anywhere. But this conversation AI, you can easily train it using your data, using your property details, your company details, and it will just act like your helping hand, and it will answer all the questions your customers might have and eventually book a meeting with them. So let me show you a way how we have set up in this software. So this is the same software, lead slip software, using which you can automate your conversation with your business leads. So here, as you can see, I go to conversation and I have trained it for SMS. So it will just send SMS to our clients whenever there is a missed call. So in this place, I will show you how it works. And in the bot training part, we have uploaded a spreadsheet with our properties listed, and then we have trained it with the company website. In our case, we are using this real estate company website just to show you an example. So in the bot trial, let me show you how it works. Now it will ask you your full name and information. So the last time I mentioned you, because we don't have the first name, last name. So that's why it's hard for the software to understand who they are. So that's what the software will do. The first thing they will ask is your first name and last name and email. So once you give them the email, they will create a contact immediately on this lead shift software using your client's information or leads information. And what will happen that you will have the contract already stored in your CRM system. Whenever you are back from work, you will see how many people reached out to you, how many people the bot has closed, how many people the bot has booked an appointment with. Everything you can see using this software. So now the bot is asking me, would you like to book an appointment to discuss the property options available to you? Some of them might say, yes, I want to book an appointment, but some of them might say, no, I'm not sure what I am seeing here. So I need more details. So I will ask it, I need more details about the property. Okay, so now they are asking me which property I'm interested in. Is there any property in NJ? So I'll just ask a random location in New Jersey. I'm asking them if there is any property. Okay, so the bot says, sorry, it looks like there is no property at NJ. So now, can I assist you with properties in another area? Yes, tell me which areas you have the property. Now it is giving you the details that I just trained this bot using this location. So I uploaded these location properties. So I'll just select a location which I am interested in. So I am interested in Jamaica property. Okay, so it's asking me, do you want to book an appointment to get more details on the Jamaica property? Now I am still not convinced that I want this property. So I'll ask more questions. So I'll ask it, okay, give me more details about the property. How many bedrooms, etc. Okay, so it is now giving me the list to have the detail of the property in Jamaica. So there are a property which is 16007 is the address of the property, and it has bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Price is $680,000, and the second one is it has given me two property details. So now I'll say like, okay, I'm interested in the first property. So now it will just give me, okay, finally, fantastic, shall we book an appointment to give you a detailed walkthrough of the first property? So I'll say, yes, now I'm ready to book an appointment. So eventually it will just give me a link where I can book the appointment. I can go there and book the appointment with the realtor. So without doing anything, as a real estate agent, you have already booked an appointment, which if you did not use the automation, you would have lost this lead, because if you are not available, that doesn't mean your competitors are not available. Somebody must have been picked up and you must have lost this deal. But now using this automation, you are getting this lead.
We'll be talking about this um, voiceover generation, AI-powered voiceover. So how can you boost your business with these voiceovers? So as you can see here, the we are using an software called 11 Labs, and it will be cloning your voice, and later on you can just use these voiceovers to create as many of as videos, reels you want. So why we need these kind of things? Because not every time you are going to available to record a video, to record a reels, to publish on social medias. And why we are focusing on social medias, because most of our uh, people around the world are now on social media and they are looking for everything in the social medias. And to engage more uh, people, voiceover is a powerful tool. If your voiceover gives in a video, then the client will be listening to the video mode than without the voice. We'll share an brief how can you create your clone voiceover and generate more videos. Okay, let's move to the tool that I have mentioned, that is 11 labs. But before going to the tool, we have to write a script, right? So in that case, we also can take the help of an AI. The trending AI tool is called ChatGPT. So let's say uh, we want to create a reels for maybe 5 signs for the time to repair your home. So let me just ask ChatGPT to write me the content for the reels. So I believe everyone is using this tool, and if you are not using, then it's very simple. Even you can use this tool on your mobile phone and generate the content. And the other tool for voiceover is it is also available on the mobile phone, and we can use that tool on your mobile, and on the go you can create the content and generate the voiceover as well. Okay, so it's have generated a few content. I think it's correct. Like crack everywhere in your home. Usually when you see this kind of signs, then it's time to repair your home. So I'll just take this content from here and go to our voiceover tools. Now here there is so many options, but don't get afraid of this. So I'll get this quickly on the voice. Under voice you can create. As you can see, it's a voice lab. You can clone your voice, or you can choose any voice that other people have created and shared with publicly. So here just click on this clone voice and you can go to the instant voice cloning. Click on this and it will just type a name. Filter one, I'm just giving a demo name here. And you have to upload a few files that your voiceover gonna clone, and you can add levels. These are optionals. You can add or either you can skip. And lastly, you have to check mark this consent, and then you can hit add voice. I'm not doing this right now because I already have created one voiceover. So it's one of our client we are working with. We have generated his voice with his other audio files here, and let's put it over here. And clicking on this, you have multiple box here. So just put your content on this box here, and after clicking on generate, it will generate the voiceover. I think I've missed the title. Yeah, it is. I'm taking the title as well. Okay. So emojis we don't need here because it will take the name of emojis instead of skipping. So we're just removing the emojis from here, or else we can ask ChatGPT to give the content without emojis. Either way you can do it. I think this instruction also be removed. Okay, cool. I think we'll just put a number here. Done. So after putting our content over here, we can go through with the settings and play around it. If you are not familiar with these settings, maybe you can skip and keep it as default. So, and if you want to play around, you can play around with the stability, clarity, and similarity, style aggression, and so on. And then we can just hit on click the generate button. It will generate the audio.
Five signs. It's time to repair your home. 1. Cracks everywhere. If your walls resemble a spider's web, it might be time for some TLC. Cracks can indicate structural issues or...
All right, it's generating. So I think let's wait for a while to complete the generation. So after generating this audio, will be moved to the Canva, which is the most popular tool. So you can just start creating a design here. That's YouTube Shorts. You can choose directly. That's very simple. You just go to Canva, and if you are not signed up yet, you can just sign up with your email and then create design on your right side. The Canva is also available on the mobile. So if you want, you can use the mobile version as well and create a new design. It will give this interface. It's a bit, if you are not familiar with this, just don't get afraid. It's very easy to use. Let's see if the voice is done. Yes, it's completed. So we'll just click on this button and it will download. I'll just rename it with the title so that we don't get lost. Okay, then I'm putting the same name so that we can find it out easily. The title I have given for the file, and then we'll just click on this upload button on the left side and upload our audio file. So here it is. Just click and it's uploading. After uploading is completed, then we'll just click on this file and it will directly add it on here on the bottom, and we can start adding our text and stuffs, whatever we want. For text, we have this text option here. You can just click on the heading and click on our paste our title here. I'm just making the title a bit bigger. You can use the font size over here. If you want, you can make it 100, and you can also choose your font. If you are not liking this font, You can choose other fonts as well. And for your branding, you can also upload your logo or the pictures of yourself. So I'm giving an example here. So for example, this is our logo and this is our person's image. We'll upload both of them from here. Just select both of them and click on open. It will upload over here. Done. Then you can just add your logo directly over here.
5 signs.
Let's see here.
It's time to repair your home. 1.
So you can just click on this little purple icon bar here over here, and it will bring up the audio, and we can edit by seeing the wave from here. See, it's a gap, then it's here. We can add another, and then we can add the next text over here, which is cracks everywhere. And you can continue with adding the same logo over here. I have just used the copy and paste, Control C, Control V, or if you're on Mac, Command C and Command D will work as well. And then we can gradually add all of the other text over here. If you want, you don't need to create every time. You can just duplicate this on right clicking over here and click on duplicate page, and then put the next text. Done. Similarly, you can do the rest, and if you want, you can also add images or videos on the background of this text. So for adding those images or text, you can just simply go to the elements option right above the text option. You can just search for text free. So if you do not find any suitable results, maybe you can tweak the keywords like cracks in home. You can search for, and it will show this way, right? We can add this, and it will comes over here. Now my logo is not coming in above of the images. So what we can do, there is simple option is here on the position. We can go to layers and we'll just bring this up, drag and bring this up. See, it's here. Done. And if you see your text is not visible much enough, then you can just click on this image, and this option is transparency option, the checkboard options. You can just click and decrease the amount of your transparency of the image, and you can keep it around 20 to 25 as you want, and you can do the similar for others as well. And then we are done. Then you can just click on share and download and post it on your social medias.